Hello guys and welcome back. So we're almost done with our project here. The only thing remaining is to save our data. Once we are able to do that, that'll be it. Okay, so here we already created the save data button. Okay, and once we hit save, if we go to our JavaScript here, the send data is evoked here. Wait a minute, data type save. Okay, so let's go back to the API.php so that we can get the data that comes through here. So here we create this object, and then usually there's data type over there. So what I want to do is check if data type is equal to save. Let me copy that, come here, and I will put an else statement, then put the if as well, just like that, and then let's put save here. And then all I want now is to just print readable, and that will be the obj. That's all I want to do. So if I come back to main.javascript and go down here, there's send data here. And let's go to that function for a bit. So find it. This is the one right here. And let's go to the handle result because I want to see what the result is. So here we have an if for the read. So I want one for the save as well, like so. And that one will be save. And all I want now, instead of refreshing the table, I want an alert of whatever the result was. Okay, maybe an alert is not a good idea. Maybe we should do a console.log. That's more robust. Console.log. Very good. But let's go back to the API here for a second. I need to change the data type just like I did here, where I say info data is equal to array. And what did I actually put in this array? Wait a minute, data type, info data type is equal to object data type. Okay, that's great. I think that works out just fine. All I need now is to echo out the info right here. The problem with this situation is that I will not return valid JSON. So what I will do on the JavaScript part, so I can still see this, is I will cut this and just remove that there. Okay, that's much better. So let's refresh and right click. I have to right click here, not here, because we changed how the right click works there. And let's go to the console. So it's loaded all the data here. So I'm just going to click the delete here to clean it up, to clean up the console. And then I'm just going to hit save data. Are you sure? Yes. And now I return an empty string, which means none of these were correct on this side. So what I want instead is to I want to see what's going on. If is object, let me copy this right here. I want to see what I'm sending here. So let me copy that object and paste it there. So let's try again. Now I don't need to refresh here because it's on the server side that we are dealing with this. So I'll just click there. Okay. And another empty string comes back. So it's not even going through there. Interesting. So what I want now, let me just echo the data from there, echo data. So let's try again. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is the data that is being sent. So at the very end here, I have data type, which is just fine. So everything looks like it's proper JSON, if you ask me. So what's going on here? So data file get contents, we did get it. So we have the data. Obj is equal to oh, this is where the problem is. So I'm looking for an object, and this time I am sending an array instead. Okay. All right, so this is where we have the problem. So this is easily solvable. Let me come back to main.js here, and we have to instead send an object and not send this. So what I will do instead is, we do have this data array, but I want to send an object still, not this one, but let me create a new one. So what I will do is, I will have, instead of pushing the data here, I'm going to create what I will do is create let's say var new object. I'm just going to call it new object, or main object, is equal to, I'll put an empty object like that, but I don't need to put an empty object. What I can do is put data in there. So I'll copy this, just put data, I'll call it data, and then full colon, and put the actual variable data, comma, like that, duplicate, let me remove that, and then finally I can put data type as save, copy that and put it there. Okay, like so. So what I've done here is I've gotten this, so I don't need this here, right there. Okay. So there's an array of data that is being collected, and what I've done is I've just put that array inside an object, and then put the data type for the object as save as well. This way it's compatible with what we have here, because it will reach as an object, and then it will have object data type there, because we did save it, the same object data type there. So instead of sending data, I will send main object over here. So paste that. Alrighty then, let's give it a shot. So refresh, clear the console, hit save. Are you sure? Of course. And this time we have this JSON parse unexpected character. That just means what was returned is not valid JSON, and that's because I echoed this stuff here. But as you can see now, it's making more sense. We have rows here. Number 9 has employee number 1370, and then there's data down here. Same thing here. So this is the data that we are getting from here, only that it's been sent to the server. Data, and where is, what's the other one? Data type, save, type, save. Okay, this is awesome. All we need now is to figure out what the we know that the primary key is employee number, but the thing is, I want this system to be independent of a table. It should work on any table. So I should know that every table has a primary key. So I need to extract that automatically without being told what the primary key is. So we'll see how to do that in the next video.